To update Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch, you first want to make sure you are connected to the internet. As you can see, I'm not currently connected to the internet, so I'm going to connect to my Wi-Fi. I'm now connected to the internet. Don't make the mistake of going to the software settings on the Switch as you would on another console. As you can see, there is no option to update here. The Switch actually automatically updates your installed games. This is a progress bar showing that a download is in progress. If we click into the game, it will show us the progress. Don't try and launch the game until it has downloaded fully, or the update will pause. And a few other games are updating too. No matter the speed of your internet, the Switch caps out the download speed at a certain point, and games can take a while to download and update. Once complete, your game should now be on the latest firmware.